There's nothing like enjoying cold drinks with friends, cooking a meal, or playing cards in the great outdoors. That's why we've created our ultra-lightweight aluminum camping table. The camping table sets up in mere seconds and comes with a convenient carry bag. It's so easy to bring along with you camping, hiking, fishing, or to the beach. The camping table is built with an aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, so it's waterproof, rust-proof, corrosion-resistant, and easy to clean and durable enough to last for years. With 3 sizes to choose from, you're sure to find the right fit for your needs. Add a little luxury to your outdoor experiences with the Hitorhike camping table.
The GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station is a must-have for outdoor activities. Designed with our patent-pending Slim Fold technology, the Cook Station takes up minimal trunk or storage space. The Slim Fold Cook Station sets up and breaks down in a flash with its hassle-free one-piece design. It features a heat-resistant aluminum countertop and a lower rack for storage. The 4 fold-out multi-use side tables serve as beverage, wine glass, paper towel, or garbage bag holders, and even as grilling utensil holders. Packing up is easy with our Easy Fold technology. Simply fold down the top shelf and side tables, push up on the shelf grid, and push the sides together. Use the carry handle for easy portability. Convenience and portability make the Slim Fold Cook Station ideal for outdoor activities, including camping, tailgating, boating, picnics, and more. GCI Outdoor, the experts in portable recreation gear. The GCI Outdoor Compact Camp Table 25 is the perfect camp table for 4 people. A unique one-piece design with patent-pending telescoping legs, the table folds down to half its size. The Compact Camp Table 25 is quick and easy to set up. Just pull legs down and rotate tabletop together for use. The Compact Camp Table 25 is designed with a lightweight aluminum frame that supports up to 60 pounds. When it's time to pack up, rotate the tabletop, then, using our patent-pending squeeze telescoping technology, squeeze the tabletop together and push down to compress. The Compact Camp Table 25 is ideal for camping, RVs, tailgating, and any outdoor activity. GCI Outdoor, the experts in portable recreation gear.